Hello gamers and welcome back to PC Quest. Why GTA matters to all of us. Have you heard of GTA? Before we talk about GTA 6, let's talk about GTA. For many of us, GTA wasn't just a game. It was the first open world where you could do anything. Drive anywhere, steal any car, or cause chaos, or just roam around the city listening to the radio. Some of you grew up with GTA Vice City, some with San Andreas, some with GTA 4 or GTA 5. So let me ask you, which GTA game was your favorite? Drop in the comments right now. Because every time Rockstar releases a new GTA, it's not just another game, it's a moment. Now after 10 years, Rockstar finally shows us GTA 6. Just 90 seconds, no gameplay explanation, no big reveal. And yet, the internet exploded. That's because this trailer isn't just showing graphics, it's hiding clues everywhere. Today we are breaking down GTA 6 trailer 1 scene by scene, showing new details most people missed, and what they tell us about the future of GTA. Stay till the end because once you watch the details, you will never watch the trailer the same way again. The beach. First impressions matter. The trailer opens up the most obvious possible place for a Florida-inspired game, the beach. Bright sun, blue water, palm trees everywhere. Lucia runs across the sand in a red dress. Jason follows behind her, pushing through tourists and beach crowds. No dialogue, no text, but instantly you know this is Vice City. Rockstar is saying, yes, exotic cars are still a big deal, but now the world around them feels more alive. In the background, there's a billboard of Vice City Beach Club, clearly inspired by real Miami clubs. And all around the beach, people holding phone, recording everything. That's important because social media is going to be matter a lot in GTA 6. Rooftops, streets, and car culture. The trailer suddenly speeds up. Lucia jumps from a rooftop into a moving truck, then into a convertible. Jason grabs motorcycle. It looks like pure action, but Rockstar chose these vehicles very carefully. The truck looks like Ford F-150, extremely common in Florida. The convertible feels inspired by a Ferrari. Jason's bike looks like a custom Harley-Davidson. There's also a wall mural of a flamingo, covered in graffiti with letters VCPD, Vice City Police Department. That's Rockstar doing world building without saying a word. This looks less like random traffic and more like real Miami car meets. That's a big clue. In GTA 6, cars aren't just tools, they're part of the culture. Nightlife and club energy. Then the trailer takes us into the night. Lucia and Jason walk through an underground crowded club, flashing lights, neon colors, graffiti everywhere, a DJ playing behind a booth filled with GTA style brands. On the tables, you will spot familiar GTA drinks, cheap beer, and energy drinks you have seen before. Behind the DJ, a sign shows Vice City FM, reminding us that the radio still matters in GTA. This is exactly how real Miami nightlife looks like. The cars are part of the show. On screen, fake social media posts with hashtags like hashtag Vice City Party and hashtag Club Life. This tells us something big. GTA 6 isn't just mocking through radio anymore. Social media is now a main part of the attire. Chases, billboards, and old GTA brands. Next comes classic GTA chaos. Lucia drives a black supercar inspired by McLaren. Jason races through traffic on his bike. Police SUVs chase them through the city. But look at the world around them. Billboards show classic GTA brands. Bugger Shot, Black & Bell, Sprunk, Redwood cigarettes. These are the brands from GTA 5 and older games. Rockstar is telling us this is the same universe. The police vehicles also feel very Florida specific, SUV heavy, highway patrol style designs. This doesn't feel like a generic American city, it feels like a Florida. Social media and Florida man energy. One of the smartest part of the trailer is how it copies real viral videos. We see vertical clips with usernames, likes, and captions. This suggests something important. Your action in GTA 6 might show up on in-game social media, hits could trend, stunt could go viral, chaos could become content. Instead of just hearing about your crimes on the radio, you might see them online. And the classic Florida man joke is reborn as Leonida Man. Same chaos, same madness, just modernized. what all these details mean. When you put everything all together, Rockstar telling us 4 things. First, GTA 6 is Florida through Rockstar's eyes, beaches, clubs, chaos, and culture. Second, all GTA brands and history are still here. Third, cars and nightlife are core part of gameplay and identity. Fourth, social media will play a huge role in storytelling and humor. Lucia and Jason aren't just criminals anymore. They live in a world that's always watching, always recording, and always sharing. So the next time you watch GTA 6 trailer, well, don't just watch the action. Pause it, look at the billboards, the phones, the clothes, the card. That's where Rockstar is really talking to you. Now tell me, what detail impressed you the most? Share your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like this video and share it with someone who has already watched this trailer 10 times. And subscribe to PC Quest for more clear and detailed game analysis. Because with GTA 6, every frame matters.